Hi there, I am Joseph Yacino, Yada Chef in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This great space you see me cooking in is Kitchen 953. Kitchen 953 is Broward County's #1 shared professional culinary space. Scones, or scones, as some of you insist on calling them, seem to be shrouded in all this mystery. And really, this most humble of British, Scottish, Irish tea time pastries is quite simple. So today I am going to show you and take the mystery out of how to make the scone with cocoa powder. Now, the method is the exact same. You're going to use flour and sugar and baking powder and egg and milk. Now I've already mixed all of this up together. To this, I'm taking my cocoa powder. And what you do is you just replace a quarter of the flour you would normally use with cocoa powder. How easy is that? And then you just mix it up all together. Make sure it's well incorporated. You're going to roll it out on a slightly floured board. If you want, you could use a little bit more cocoa. Cocoa's a little bit more expensive, though, than what flour is, so maybe I'd go with the flour. If you're not worried about your pennies, then be my guest and use some cocoa. Just going to roll these out, cut them up, and again, always remember, you want the dough to be somewhere between 3/4 of an inch and an inch thick. That's 2 to 2.5 centimeters. Cut into triangles. Throw them into an oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and you'll be ready to go and serve them with however and whatever you want. Okay, so here you have it. My chocolate scones were in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. I put them with a little bit of strawberry and some fresh double Devon cream. And that's how easy it is to make scones with cocoa powder. I am Joseph Yacino. Thank you so much for watching.